Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. DTC P2648 indicates a low voltage condition in the rocker arm oil control solenoid circuit. The rocker arm oil control solenoid plays a crucial role in the variable valve timing and lift electronic control (VTEC) system in Honda vehicles. This solenoid is responsible for regulating oil pressure to the rocker arms, ensuring that valve timing and lift operate efficiently under different driving conditions. When the DTC is triggered, it can result in decreased engine performance and increased emissions. Oftentimes, this code is associated with issues such as wiring problems or internal solenoid failure. Proper diagnostic procedures are essential to identify the root cause before proceeding with repairs. The DTC P2648, characterized by low voltage to the rocker arm oil control solenoid, indicates potential issues affecting the VTEC system's efficiency. The rocker arm oil control solenoid is typically located near the engine cylinder head. This component regulates the flow of engine oil to the rocker arms, which ensures optimal valve performance. By controlling the oil pressure, the solenoid helps adjust the camshaft timing for better engine efficiency. If this solenoid fails, the engine may not operate efficiently during high loads, leading to symptoms such as decreased acceleration and increased fuel consumption. Understanding where this component is positioned is vital for effective troubleshooting. Several factors may lead to the activation of DTC P2648. Poor electrical connections are a common cause, often due to corrosion or loose terminals at critical connectors such as the rocker arm oil control solenoid and the engine control module (ECM). An internal failure of the rocker arm oil control solenoid may also result in this error, indicating that the solenoid requires replacement. Additionally, a faulty ECM could incorrectly report low voltage conditions, causing confusion in the diagnostic process. Wiring issues, such as frayed or shorted wires in the circuit supplying the rocker arm oil control solenoid, can also trigger this DTC, making proper diagnostics critical to identifying the specific issue. When DTC P2648 is triggered, various symptoms can manifest, notably affecting engine performance. Drivers may experience poor acceleration, which can make the vehicle feel sluggish during operation. Increased emissions may also occur due to improper valve timing, potentially leading to failure during emissions testing. The check engine light will typically illuminate on the dashboard, indicating that a diagnostic trouble code has been recorded. Furthermore, compromised performance of the VTEC system might result in a generally rough idle or fluctuating engine behavior, making it imperative for owners to seek out diagnostics as soon as symptoms are observed. Understanding these warning signs can help prevent further damage to the engine. The first step in troubleshooting DTC P2648 involves turning the ignition switch to the on position, designated as II. This action powers the vehicle's electrical systems without starting the engine. Next, the diagnostic HDS, Honda Diagnostic System, should be used to clear the stored DTC from the system. Clearing the code is crucial as it allows the technician to refresh the monitoring parameters of the vehicle's systems. Following this, the VTEC test from the inspection menu in the HDS must be performed. This test assesses the operational capacity of the VTEC system and helps verify whether the issue is intermittent or consistent. If the results from this step are satisfactory, further diagnostics may reveal underlying connection issues or component failure. Troubleshooting Step 2 requires the ignition switch to be turned to the lock position, or 0, to ensure safety while working with electrical components. The next step involves disconnecting the 2P connector associated with the rocker arm oil control solenoid. This disconnection is essential for safely conducting resistance checks without risking circuit damage. The following check focuses on measuring the internal resistance of the rocker arm oil control solenoid using a multimeter. Technicians should verify continuity between specified test points on the 2P connector. The expected resistance range at room temperature is 14 to 30 ohms. If the resistance falls outside this range, it indicates an internal failure within the solenoid, necessitating replacement. Step 3 of the troubleshooting process includes jumping the SCS line with the HDS to enable the necessary diagnostic functions. Following this, disconnect the ECM connector B, which houses multiple critical circuits responsible for engine management. With the connector removed, technicians will measure the voltage between designated test points while the ignition is in the on position. Specifically, this involves measuring the voltage at the ECM connector B while ensuring the rocker arm oil control solenoid connector is still disconnected. A successful voltage measurement confirming continuity will prompt repairs on any shorts in the VT sol-in wire. Should there not be continuity, it indicates that the wiring is intact and may necessitate checking the ECM or updating software if it's outdated. Final repair verification is a crucial phase of the troubleshooting process to ensure that all repairs have rectified the DTC P2648 issue. This process begins with reconnecting all previously disconnected connectors, ensuring that all components are linked correctly. The ignition switch should then be turned to the on position to activate the vehicle systems. The technician will again utilize the HDS to perform the VTEC test. Similar to the initial assessment, this step will confirm whether the issue has been resolved or if the DTC reappears. Furthermore, checking for any pending or confirmed DTCs is essential. If DTC P2648 is not indicated, troubleshooting is considered complete, indicating successful repair. In conclusion, DTC P2648 points to a low voltage condition within the rocker arm oil control solenoid circuit, greatly impacting the VTEC system's efficiency. Effective troubleshooting steps must be followed to identify the root cause of the issue. These include testing the solenoid's internal resistance, checking for continuity in the wiring, and ensuring all electrical connections are secure. Performing a thorough diagnostic using the HDS, combined with visual inspections, is vital for accurate diagnosis. Following the repair process with verification of results ensures that the problem is truly resolved and the vehicle operates optimally. By taking these steps, technicians can maintain the performance and reliability of the Honda Civic equipped with the VTEC system. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.